In the deep south of Italy, where the land folds into hills and the air carries the scent of stone and earth, there lies a city like no other, a place both ancient and eternal. Its name is Matera. At first glance, Matera looks as though it has grown straight out of the rock, and in many ways it has. Houses, stairways, and churches seem carved from the same pale stone, blending so completely with the cliffs that you can't tell where nature ends and the city begins. This is the Sassi di Matera, the ancient cave dwellings, a labyrinth of homes, passages, and courtyards that have sheltered people for thousands of years. It is said that Matera is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, and when you walk through its narrow streets, you can feel that age, not as weight, but as presence. The Sassi are silent storytellers. Each doorway, each worn stair, each hollowed room holds traces of countless lives that passed through them. Here, time doesn't just pass, it accumulates. It gathers quietly, layer upon layer, until the city itself becomes a living memory. For centuries, Matera was a city forgotten. Its people lived humbly, often in hardship, sharing small cave homes with animals cut off from the world above. Then, in the 1950s, the government declared it the shame of Italy, and many families were moved away. But time has a way of healing, and beauty has a way of returning. Today, Matera has risen again, not as a monument to the past, but as a bridge between what was and what endures. The same caves that once held families in poverty now welcome visitors from around the world, transformed into homes, cafes, and quiet sanctuaries of light and stone. As you wander through the Sassi, you can hear echoes of the past, the footsteps of shepherds, the whispers of prayers in hidden chapels, the distant ringing of church bells that still mark the rhythm of the day. Above the Sassi stands the modern city, connected by winding stairways that seem to defy time. From the top, the view is breathtaking. A sea of stone rooftops, golden in the afternoon light, rolling down toward the ravine below. It is a view that feels ancient and infinite all at once. At sunset, Matera becomes magic. The sun fades behind the hills, and the city begins to glow. Thousands of small lights flicker across the stone, and the Sassi shine like stars scattered on the earth. It's quiet then. You can almost feel the centuries breathing beneath your feet. Matera teaches a kind of stillness, a reminder that beauty doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers softly through the cracks of time, in the touch of warm stone, in the silence of an empty street, in the way evening light paints the walls with gold. And perhaps that's what makes this city unforgettable. It isn't just ancient, it's alive. It holds the memory of thousands of lives, and yet it welcomes each new one that walks its streets. When you leave Matera, you don't really leave it behind. It stays with you, in the quiet, in the stillness, in the sense of timelessness it leaves behind. Because Matera isn't just a city carved from stone, it's a city carved from time itself.